Price to sell. Amazing views and best location. This most desirable largest 2-bed 2-bath corner unit is located in the newly renovated ARLEN House East with gorgeous ocean and intercoastal views. Across the street from the beach of RENOWED sunny Isles make this high-floor, spacious 1603 square feet corner unit with impact glass sliding doors and 2 balconies including an oversized wraparound your new home. The building just completed the beautiful brand new lobby which will welcome you and your guests with a wow. Amenities include pool, hot tub, tennis, laundry, cafe restaurant, boat dock marina, gym, guard gate, 24-hour security, and more. Minutes from AVENTURA Mall, Bell Harbor shops, great restaurants, and excellent schools priced right. Call today.